Connecting JBL TUNE125 Bluetooth earbuds to an iPhone is not very difficult, and in this short video I'll show you step by step how to do it. With the TUNE125s charged up, open the case and take out one of the earbuds. On the LED, wait for it to blink blue and white. If these haven't been paired with another device, this should happen pretty quickly. Now on the iPhone, tap on Settings, then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on and then tap on JBL TUNE125TWS when it appears. Within seconds, the earbuds are paired to this iPhone. Now just take the other earbud out of the case and they'll automatically sync together for true wireless stereo on your iPhone. One thing to know is that the JBL TUNE125 can only connect to one device at a time. So, if I wanted to connect these to a different phone or computer, I'd have to turn off Bluetooth on my iPhone or completely disconnect them using the forget function. Forget device is actually the best method for this. Then repeat my instructions to connect the TUNE125 earbuds to another phone or computer. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.